Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5086672 on your Windows 11 computer because of these error codes. So if you are receiving these error codes, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run these commands. So type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell, and then make sure that you run Windows PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Once done, copy the second command. All these commands are provided in the video description. Copy the second command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Once done, copy the third command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now run the last command. Now once done, restart your PC. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to pause update option. Here you can see pause, click on pause over here. Once pause, click on resume updates and then check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Now find app readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and click on OK, make a right click, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click and then click on restart. Now once done, find Windows Update in the list. So scroll down at the bottom, somewhere you will find Windows Update, make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update, click on restart. Now once done, now you can go back. If you see retry option, you can hit retry and then check. Still not working. The next step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator, click on yes to allow, copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, then copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your PC, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working, use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser, it will take you to Microsoft website. On this website you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5086672 over here, and then click on search. Now let me translate this language. Now type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command and check your Windows version. In my case the version is 25H2. Then open Windows settings, go to system and then scroll down, go to about option, check your system type. So for me the system type is 64-bit operating system. So for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. Now if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Click on download and then click on KB5086672. Click on it and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, install this update manually and then restart your PC and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to close all kinds of third-party applications and services on your computer. If you have a third-party antivirus program, you can disable it while updating. Once you're done installing the update, you can enable your antivirus program once again. Also uninstall third-party anti-cheat program, like if you have Faceit anti-cheat, Riot Vanguard, or any kind of third-party antivirus anti-cheat program, you can uninstall it, restart your computer, and then you can update. Still not working. The next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to Advanced option, scroll down, go to Recovery option. Here you can see Fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files, and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once done, you can restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file. Click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here and let this close automatically. Now go to Windows desktop and make a double click on Windows ISO file. Make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow. Click on next. Click on accept. And here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.